Hi everyone, Brian from Garden Minutes here. Today is an exciting day for us at Garden Minutes. We've been listening and we've been designing, and we're thrilled to announce Garden Minutes officially has metal raised garden beds. And we designed them to fit our garden grid watering systems. Our metal garden beds have square corners instead of round. We made them using premium alu-zinc magnesium panels instead of just alu-zinc or just galvanized. That way ours last longer. They're coated in food-safe paint, use food-safe hardware, and they're topped with a hand-friendly safety edging. And we have a variety of all-in-one garden kits to choose from. They come with our metal raised garden bed, our garden grid watering system, and our garden grid connection manifold, which will allow you to run multiple garden beds off of the same water supply by just connecting a hose from one garden to the next. All of our metal raised garden kits are now available for pre-order. So head over to gardeninminutes.com, pre-order yours. Let's start your best garden in minutes.